migrations unless it's absolutely required. A migration was our absolute last resort for, saving cost. Just to give you a little bit context, before migration, a couple of years ago, MPL was spending over $1 million every month just on the infra costs on AWS bill. And every time you ask someone, they used to say, okay, there is scope for optimization, but we never prioritized it. If you keep asking yourself the question, am I running the most efficient infra? You will start figuring out there are a lot of places where you can optimize. We ran it as a side project. It was not where majority of engineers involved, but they did a phenomenal job. We reduced cost by 50%. No one was looking at reducing costs further. But in 23, government came back, said now you have to start paying multifold more tax. And when things like these come, you have only two options. You have to immediately increase your revenue and you have to start reducing your operational expenses. Server infra being one of the most expensive things in your operational expenses, it was obvious for us that we need to reduce this cost a lot further. And we did not have any scope of reduction by regular means, or it would have taken time. And we spoke to multiple different cloud providers and we struck a deal with GCP, which made sense for us, aligned with our strategic objectives as well. We signed the deal with GCP. We did our due diligence. We signed the deal and we set out ourselves to finish the migration in 6 months.